So ku-work energy and power, um okay, okokuqala kumele ukwazi ukudefine u-work ukuthi work is the transfer of energy, and then ukwazi ukukhalkulate u-work done by any force kwi-object lo osuke unikezwe yona. So iformula esiyisebenzisayo nje uma calculate work done by any force in an object ilena ethi W is equal to F delta X cos theta. So kumele wena wazi ukuthi i-variable ne-variable kule formula imeleni. Lokho kuzokusiza ukuthi angithi phela uma unikeza equation from i-statement noma from i-data yakho wazi ukuthi yini ekumele uyi-substitute kule variable nakule variable. So u-W lwana iwona-ke lo oba u-work wethu, and ama-units ka-work it is joules wena uzobhala u-J. And then u-F ileyo force leyo esicalculate work done by yona, and ama-unit e-force noma ngabe yiphi uyazi ukuthi kuhlala ku-N or millimeters angithi. Then mase kuzoba u-delta X loyana uyi-displacement, and ama-unit e-displacement u-meters. And then mase kuthi cos theta, u-theta loyana it is the angle between i-force ne-displacement yakho. Kuzoyenza isense mase senze example. So kubuyela kakhulu kulento esasiyenza ngo-term 1 yama-Newton's laws nama-forces. Into ebalulekile from lapho ukuthi ukwazi ukukhumbula ukuthi uma unikezwe i-scenario, i-object noma ngabe kuyi-surface enjani, ukwazi ukukhumbula uku-identify ama-forces ukuthi le force khona le force khona nale force khona nale force. So asithi ninikezwe i-object kuyi-surface e-horizontal and e-rough le surface yethu, and i-mass yale object utshele ukuthi u-80 kilograms, and le object yethu asithi bayidonsa horizontally to the right nge-force nge-applied force 150 newtons. Then le object yethu bayidonsa over a distance of 10 meters, yabo. And then base bakutshela ukuthi i-object yethu leyana ngenxa yokuthi i-surface i-rough i-experience i-frictional force ewu-40 newtons. Then okubalekile kusemqokweni ukwazi ukukhumbula ngithi uku-identify ama-forces ukuthi masinikezwe le object kule scenario imaphi ama-forces konje asuke actor kule object ngokwazi kwethu. Alright, okokuqala siyazi ukuthi i-applied force le 150 newtons isinikeziwe. Then we know ukuthi object ma kuyi-surface kunale force exertwa i-surface kwi-object, and leyo force yethu ihlala actor perpendicular noma at 90 degrees to i-surface noma to i-object, and leyo force sasibiza ukuthi yini, it is the normal force. Then kuzoba ne-frictional force due to ukuba rough kwe-surface okusho ukuthi une-friction, so there's a frictional force, and ngaso sonke isikhathi frictional force uyakhumbula ukuthi ihlala actor parallel to surface and opposes the motion of an object. So object ithi ngoba iyangapha, frictional force yethu angithi iyangapha. Then kuzoba u-Fg, Fg noma i-weight okuyi-force exertwa u-add on any object, iyona force ehlala ikhona sonke isikhathi kona wonke ama-object. U-normal force angithi sithe i-force exertwa i-surface, so if there is no surface, the object is not kwi-surface, then there will be no normal force, ungakuphambanisi lokho. Kanjalo ne-frictional force iba khona ngenxa yokuba rough noma kuba ne-friction kwe-surface. So if bekuthiwa i-surface ithi smooth bese ngeke sibe nayo i-friction. So sebengathi-ke asicalculate work done by noma iyiphi force abazoyikhetha laphana. So into ebaluleke kakhulu lana uma ucalculate work done by any force ileya ndaba leya ka-theta kuyi-angle between i-force ne-displacement. So ukuze kuzoba lula bamba kanje wena, qala ucheck ukuthi object yakho iya ngakuphi. So ngasonke isikhathi in the direction of motion bamba ukuthi u-theta uzowusebenzisa uma ucalculate work done by force ebheke to that direction, bamba ukuthi wena u-0 degrees, and then to the opposite direction bamba ukuthi wena 180 degrees. Yeah, and then ngapha kulama forces lawa a-actor perpendicular to i-surface njengo-normal force no-Fg in this case. So uyazi laphana ku-normal force u-theta ngokwe-Cartesian plane nje masimeasure ama-angles siba no-90 degrees ngalena, sibe no-270 ngapha. Yeah, so mawubambe nje lokho kwama-angles kuzoba lula kakhulu. So asithini mhlambe for example bathi asicalculate work done by applied force on i-object. Sithanga ukuthi formula calculate work ithi W is equal to force, displacement and cos theta. So since it's calculate work done by applied force, ku-W as subscript noma lapha enzansi uzofaka u-F ukuveza ukuthi calculate work done by yiphi force. Kanjalo nalapha ku-force uzofaka leyo force leyo, displacement and cos theta. So i-applied force i-magnitude yayo ngisitshele ukuthi ubani, it's 180 newtons. Then i-displacement angithi le distance i-object esuke idonswe noma i-traveliswe over yona, which is bani, 10 meters in this case angithi. Then u-theta angithi sithe i-angle between i-force ne-displacement, and ngikutshelile ukuthi wena i-force e-acta towards le direction ekubheke ngakuyona objects and kuwukuthi leyo force acta parallel to surface, ngaso sonke isikhathi u-theta wakho ohlala ufaka bani, u-0 degrees. Then ma uphantsa kwi-calculator uzothola 1500